Now, let us assign an IP address to the router on one of its port, which is on the gigabit Ethernet port 0/0. Okay, so I'm gonna type exit this one, okay, and then type exit again, just to fresh start. Okay, and let me close this one. I'm gonna open up the router again, and then I'm gonna hit the enter. Okay, and now the banner is working. Okay, it's showing the welcome to Dance IT network, and I am on the user exec mode. I just need to type enable, go to the privilege mode, and it is asking for an enable password, which we did on my previous tutorial, right? So the password that we created is password 1234, correct? There you go. So I am on the privilege mode. So let's go to the config mode, okay, by typing the comp t configure terminal. Let's just type the shortcut comp t, okay, and then now it's time for us to assign an IP address. Okay, I'm gonna type here question mark, okay, then hit the space bar, and then I need to use the um here the interface command, okay, because we need to go to the um, interface gigabit 0/0. Okay, so let me type this command. So I am on the global config mode, and I'm gonna type interface, okay, and space. I'm gonna type question mark since I am new to this. Okay, so these are the available commands that I can put. I want to go to the gigabit Ethernet. Okay, so I'm gonna type the gigabit. Okay, or you can type it just small. It's fine. Okay, um, gigabit. Okay, and I can hit the tab on the keyboard, okay, just to complete the word, because this is the only command that starts with G. Okay, so I can hit the tab. Okay, or if I want to, I can just put G in here. Okay, because this is the only G. It starts with G on this command. Okay, but for this tutorial, let's complete the word. Okay, let's say it's interface gigabit Ethernet. Okay, and then I'm gonna type here question mark, and I want to go to the 0/0. Okay, so what I need to input is 0/0. Okay, and then space, then question mark. Looks like the command is complete. So I don't have any additional command to input. So this is good to go. I'm gonna hit enter on this, and now I am inside the interface gigabit 0/0. Okay, which is it was changed to config dash if. Okay, and now to assign an IP address to this interface, I'm gonna type here question mark, okay, for you to see. Let's say I am new to this and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So type the space bar, okay, and to assign an IP address, I need to use this command, okay. All right, IP, then the space, let's say question mark, and then the next command that I need to input is address. Okay, so IP address space and then question mark. Um, I need to input an IP address, which is this one. Okay, so let's say the IP address that I want to have this port is 192.168.1.1. Okay, since it's a router. Okay, it will serve as a default gateway, and then space, okay, question mark again, ask for a subnet mask. So the subnet mask on this IP address, since it's a class C, it should be 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then space again, I'm gonna type question mark, and there you go. The command is complete. So I can now execute this already, and then hit enter. All right. And then now is we need to turn on this interface, okay, which is the gigabit slash 0. Okay, we need to turn it on. So to turn on the this interface, which is um, let me scroll up, which is this one. To turn this on, I need to type no space shutdown. Okay, and hit enter on this. And now the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 change state to up, and now it's enable. Okay, all right, I'm gonna hit enter again, and I'm gonna need to save the configuration. Okay, when it comes to saving a configuration, um, on my last tutorial, okay, is we save the configuration inside the global config. Okay, so now we are on the config dash if. Well, we can still save the information by typing this command in here. Okay, even if we are not on the privilege mode and we are not on the global config mode, we can type do write. Okay, as long as we include the do space write, okay, it will automatically save the configuration. Then hit enter. Okay, and it's good to go.